Doing tonight?
Welcome, welcome. Have you had a chance to look at all the new and fun, exciting menu items that we have?
Let's go, guys, yeah? I want to hear you tonight. I want to hear you too, yes? Let's go.
Only minutes into the service, a locally renowned food blogger has arrived. Stacy Place ripped apart her last meal at the restaurant.
Abby, you recognize her?
Yeah.
You know how important she is.
But Chef Ramsay convinced her to give it another try.
She has 10,000 followers. She vlogs tomorrow. We're 10,000 potential customers. Back up.
I've tried everything on this menu today. So if you have any questions, you feel free to ask.
Any favorites that recently?
Oh, yeah, definitely. The goat and cheese truffle dip really stood out for me.
Well, that sounds really good.
Jimmy, you and I, we're going to be communicating all night. I need the outs for 37, 17, and 35.
All right. Right now, in the window, I need that fish and chip. I need that slider.
Sliders up, Chef.
A reinvigorated Jimmy has the kitchen moving in the right direction.
Calamari, sliders.
Jimmy, keep it going, yeah?
Frisee salad on the fly.
And the new menu is being embraced by the customers.
Wow.
But just when it appears as though it's going to be smooth sailing,
I need a chowder, a calamari, a slider.
Jimmy, did you call the calamari for table 30?
I just did.
Abby and Jimmy
Listen to me.
are having a communication breakdown.
I need 4 soups and 1 chowder up in the line, please.
That's incorrect.
Uh-oh, here we go again. A repeat of last night. The kitchen's going down.
Jimmy, focus on 37, yeah? This is the golden ticket. This is it.
All right, lead ticket. I need a truffle dip.
Truffle dip takes 6 minutes, yes?
Yes, sir.
All right, get it in the oven.
Jimmy, look at me. We're falling behind. Got to work together. Come on, guys. There's nothing coming out. Please.
Let's get this food out. Give me a time on the truffle dip, please.
Jesus, she's not blogging now, is she? What's she doing?
She's definitely blogging.
She's blogging live from the table.
We've got bloggers live from their table, guys. I need a truffle dip up on the line right now.
Urgently, please.
I was horrified. We are slipping like the night before. They're blogging as we speak. I wanted to, like, just scream.
Come on, guys, I need some food on the line.
There's nothing hitting the window. Come on, guys.
I need to see some food up on this line. It's taking too long.
Literally, my kitchen going down in flames.
Listen, Jimmy.
1 minute, Abigail.
And there was literally nothing I could do about it.
Abby.
Jimmy, I need a truffle dip. Come on, guys.
It's 45 minutes into dinner service,
Let's get this food out. We've got bloggers live from their table, guys.
and an influential food blogger who can greatly affect the future of Down City
I need a truffle dip up on the line right now.
still has not received her appetizers.
Abby, 2 seconds, quickly. Take over. Take over. Let's go. Abby. She just tweeted, waiting for appetizers, getting hungry.
Listen, Jimmy, they're already blogging that they're waiting too long for food. Let's get this food out.
All right, how long on a solo truffle dip?
Urgently, please.
Truffle dip behind you.
Thank you.
Truffle dip and the salad.
Caesar's there.
With that Caesar, I need sliders and a truffle dip.
Come on, guys. Abby. Abby, read that discreetly. Truffle dip, amazing, yes?
Yeah.
Come on, keep it going, yes? Entrees, make sure they come together, okay? Fire that table, please, yeah?
Jimmy,
What's
table
up?
37, did you fire?
I did fire.
This is a really good Caesar salad.
With Abby focused on the task at hand
Come on, let's get loud back there.
and Jimmy in full control of his kitchen,
You guys can fire that fish and chip.
quality entrees are quickly heading out to the dining room.
Mid-rare lamb chops, salmon, ribs, filet.
Mid-rear lamb herd.
Food looks amazing.
The food looks outstanding.
Absolutely amazing.
It appears as though blogger Stacy Place has reached her verdict.
This looks amazing. Really good, yeah.
How was everything?
Delicious. The
Great.
flavor was right there. Everything was great.
Great, thank you so much for coming in, and we're gonna see you again.
I was living an absolute kitchen nightmare. And my dream just came true. I'm in absolute shock. Like, this is the restaurant I've always wanted.